The strip string method in Python removes characters from both sides of the string the method is called on. By default, strip removes any space characters from both sides of the string. That means strip removes stuff like regular spaces, tab characters, and newline characters, as well as other space characters. If you specify a character, that removes every occurrence of that character from both sides of the string. In this case, potato sandwiched with Q's becomes just potato. If you specify multiple characters to strip, the result becomes quite interesting. When you use multiple characters, the string you pass in is looked at as a set of characters. In this case, every Q and P is removed from both sides of this string. What it doesn't do is look for every occurrence of the string QP together. Another consequence of the argument to strip being a set is that changing this argument to PQ would do nothing to change strip's effect on the string. It just matters that the characters are there, not the order they appear in. Like and subscribe to learn more.